Hi everybody, it's Jodi, and it is time for the big reveal of Santa's Workshop 2025. This is an event I think I've been doing, I think this is year 15. It's one of my most popular events. People just love the opportunity to make handmade gifts and packaging for their loved ones. So whether it's family, friends, a coworker, a neighbor, there's something for everyone in the Santa's Workshop classes. So it's very intentionally designed to include a variety of projects and a variety of price points. You can look here in the description for a link to the registration form, and that will have all of the details you need. The registration deadline is November 14th, 2025. And if you're participating in person, I'm having some class times on the 20th and 21st. If you're participating by mail, packages will be in the mail by November 21st. So you'll have plenty of time to complete your projects. So I've got 7 options for you this year that I'm excited to show you these projects. I also want to mention if you are looking to make your own Christmas cards to send to your family and friends this year, I have a whole separate event, a Christmas card buffet, where you get to choose from different designs. Some include stamping, some don't. And so there's a great variety there also. Entirely separate event. This is more gift ideas and packaging. So let's go ahead and take a look at all 7 projects. We're going to start with the Christmas tags. So this Nutcracker Tags kit is such a hot commodity right now. It has been sold out from Stampin' Up! For quite some time, but I have a few of them on hand. So I did not even make a sample because I don't want to even use any of them that I have. I want to be able to offer them as part of this class. So you can see there's a variety of styles here. And just to kind of give you an idea, the tag is about the size of my palm, and there's some really fun gold glitter on each of the tags. So these all just pop out. There's no stamping on these. For the class, you will make 3 tags for $5. So that is Christmas tags. The next thing is the gift card holder. These are also 3 for $5. The designer paper will coordinate, but it might vary. You untie the ribbon. The ribbon is secured on the back a little bit. And then inside the red envelope, you've got a greeting on this side. And then right here in this little pocket is where you would slide the gift card. So a really fun presentation to give someone a gift card. If you are participating by mail, you will get these different shapes punched out, but you do need to supply your own stamps and ink. If you're coming to class in person, you'll use mine. So this is a super fun and easy way to give gift cards this year. So those are also 3 for $5. Another one that I'm super excited about is this framed decor, Peace on Earth. You'll notice that there is some gold foil on the paper in the background, a gold foil label. The greeting here is embossed, and then there's some Wink of Stella shimmer on that dove. Again, if you are participating by mail, you would need to supply your own stamp and ink for this section right here. All of the other pieces would be die cut and included in your package. This is a good point to also remember to say some supplies are limited. So if you are interested in any of these classes, please register as soon as possible so that you can get the projects that you want. Not sure if I already mentioned, this is $10 for this framed art. And just as a point of reference, this is about 7 1/4 by 7 1/4 inches. The inside is, I think, about 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. So really, really pretty frame. On the back, it's got a stand as well as a spot to hang it. So nice and versatile. Okay, next thing on my list is a box of cards. I totally understand not everybody likes to make cards. I get it. But everybody loves to receive a gift of handmade cards. So for this class, you will make 10 cards. They will come with envelopes, and then you'll get this plastic case to put them in, tie some ribbon around it, and give it as your gift. Now, the 6 cards you make will vary. Some of them, like these, require some stamping. Some, like these, do not. Some have printed labels. They're all different. A little bit of stamping on these, and then these here. So your 6 will be a variety of all of the ones that you saw there, and it does come with the box. That class is $14. So you make a box of 6 cards and envelopes for $14. The next class is my Fruits of the Spirit album. If you follow me, you've seen this before, but I could not help but offer it again. I did this earlier in the fall, and I think I had about 30 people jump on it right away. This class is only $25. This is a steal of a deal. I literally had friends earlier this fall when I offered it message me and tell me I was not charging enough. But it's too special not to share it at the lowest price possible because I want everybody and anybody who wants it to be able to do it. So it goes through the different fruits of the Spirit. There's lots of scripture included. There's quotes, there's prayers, there's journaling space. This is a great, well, let's be honest, this would be a wonderful thing just to order for yourself and keep. It's a great gift if you wanted to complete the whole devotional and gift it to someone. Or if you have a crafty friend, maybe you give them the kit and they get to put it together themselves. All of the words that you see here, those will be emailed to you in a document. You'll just trim them down. The tutorial that I have shows you all of the layouts. Super easy to duplicate. There's stickers and everything included. This is $25 for the Fruits of the Spirit devotional kit. Next up is the Christmas album, Remembering Christmas. This is a new thing from Stampin' Up. This is, I'm going to say, let's see, let me measure here. It's about not quite 10 inches by about 5.5 inches. It's a pretty decent sized little album. It's got the little elastic. It's a hard cover, which is cool. This is all a kit from Stampin' Up. But I will say they didn't get really descriptive in their instructions. And so I kind of did my own thing. So whether you come to class or you do this by mail, you will get photos of all of my layouts. There's little pockets here. Some pages flip out. All sorts of really cute layouts. I am super excited for this class. You may or may not know, my son and his wife had our very first grandbaby about 3 weeks ago. And so I cannot wait to celebrate Christmas with her and get some photos in this album to always remember our first Christmas with Eloise. This Remembering Christmas album is $26. And then finally, your class option number 7 is this card organizer. So it's a nice cardboard decorative box that you can sit on your desk. I also included in here just the things that come in the kit. So you've got glue dots, an acrylic block, a little ink spot. It comes with a stamp set. These are the greetings on there, some nice all occasion. It's also got to and from, which is always handy to have. And then there are 10 cards. And there are, let me grab these out and just scoot this aside. There are 5 designs and you do 2 of each. And of course they all have envelopes. So there's 2 of each. And just all occasion, like I said, you can use whichever of those greetings that you want. So the stamps and ink for this come with it. So that is everything that I have. So stamps and ink for this is $38 if I did not already say that. Stamps and ink come with this one. For both the Christmas album and Fruits of the Spirit, no stamping is required. For the frame, you just need to provide your own stamps and ink here if you're doing it by mail. The cards will vary. Some require stamping, some don't. And then the gift card holder just has the little greetings there. And there's no stamping on the tags. So like I said, a variety of price points. You've got $5, $10, $14, $25, $26, $38, and a variety of items, whether it's more packaging ideas or gifts that you want to give, or maybe just even keep yourself. I'm kind of excited to just keep this one myself too. So that is what I have for you. Like I said, registration ends November 14th. So this is a pretty fast turnaround. Items will be in the mail by the 21st, if not before. And if you're looking to make Christmas cards, check out my Christmas card buffet. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.